Hello guys and welcome back! In today's video, Halloween nails. So for today's set, we're going to follow the same direction that I created last time in my first Halloween video, which is this one here. I did this glowing in the dark skulls and nails because I had this pair of gloves. They were like awesome, amazing, I just love them. And by the way, this is like a video for the lover of Halloween, and not everyone loves Halloween, but it's okay. If you are here, doesn't mean that you love Halloween, so welcome. And thank you so much for the nice comment in my first Halloween video of this year. I need comments, guys. Keep commenting, like whatever is coming to your mind. Obviously try to be nice because we don't like unnice things. But comments are so important, so thank you so much for your comments on my last Halloween videos. So this time I'm going to be inspired from this bandana here, which is full of skulls. And this set is going to like give me this vibe, like a street art vibe, which is actually really cool. It's not gonna be perfect, it's gonna to be like the typical imperfect perfection or perfect imperfection that I actually sometimes do. Maybe also I need a pair of glasses, so that's why they come in so perfectly imperfect. Anyways, yeah, they're going to be glowing in the dark again, so be ready for that because we absolutely love glowing in the dark things if it's, you know, for Halloween. And don't forget that you can still send me your Halloween nails work to my email address here, or is always written down below if you have the pleasure that your nails art will be showing in my next videos. So without further ado, let's just go with the video and keep watching. Okay, so I will be working on tips or press-on. First things, I clean the surface with cleaner. Second, apply hybrid base. I using the Stars from the Stars, dry it in the lamp. And then I go with my color, which is Silcare Flexy number 42, which is this beautiful purple, perfect for Halloween in my opinion. One layer dry it in the lamp, and I'm going in with the second layer because I want them well saturated. Then I will use matte top coat, or in this case I use in top VELOUR and TN, which I really absolutely love, and turn it upside down. Dry it in the lamp. I have doubts that my lamp she's about to be changed because she didn't dry it really well. I dried it a second time and I still see some shininess. So with the concern that it's going to be wet, I clean it with cleaner. And here we go. I have all my 5 fingers ready. Now I'm going with that with the nail art using the paint gel of Neon Nail. Put it a little bit on my little plate. And with the semi-lock multi-tool that I absolutely love, this tool, I'm going to create my French. When I'm done with my French, I will not dry it but leave it wet because I will use the fluo effect of Neon Nail number 2. Don't confuse the one I used the last time, which is my first Halloween video, which was 01. This is more bluish and the other one was more yellowish. So we're going to use the second one today, and on the wet French I will apply the acrylic powder really well to make sure that I till the product seems wet, keeping applying it, and then I will dry it in the lamp. Then I will take a fan brush and I will eliminate it and I will clean off the rest of the dust. And here I did all my French out of camera, and now let's proceed with the rest of the artwork. I will proceed in exactly the same way that I did my French, so that's why I will speed up all these parts. And then I will apply my top coat. Can be matte, can be shiny, whatever you prefer. That's obviously my set, so I just want them to be matte because that's my point of view. And here I wasn't really happy with that, how that came out, because this is the one that I make for a test and she looks so better, but it is what it is. I was not willing to do it again. And at this point I decided that the eyes deserve to be bigger, at least a little bit larger, so I decided to enchant and enlarge the eyes using a black art gel. I didn't use the hybrid purple because I was a little concerned it's going to be like, you know, liquidy, and I didn't wanna, you know, ruin the white, so that's why I did it with the black. I just write in the lamp, and I decided to do the same things on all the three actually skulls, because the way I was creating them is very difficult to make the eyes the size you want. So I just did that, I dried in the lamp, and then I had to reapply, unfortunately, top coat. And that's how it looked like, and I have to admit it's a pretty bizarre set. And that's how they look like on my fingers. And let's try to act like we haven't seen that the middle nail is attached on straight. And this one is definitely my favorite. And that's how they look like in nighttime, which is absolutely obviously a wow, because there's always a wow effect when they're glowing in the dark. If I will redo again this set, I will definitely try to be more perfect in the definition of the things, because I feel like it will also look better when I do the glowing in the dark. And but I really actually like the French effect, and overall it's a fun set to do. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, which is a like. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content. Write me something in the comment down below if it's in your pleasure, and please do, sometimes it's really helpful to my channel. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!